Hi everyone, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to be here today. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dương. I'm 20 years old. I was born and grew up in Hải Dương. Now I live in Hà Nội. It's a very beautiful city. I'm a student. My favorite my favorite hobbies are games, music, and sports. I can speak two languages. I like English very much. I speak English every time, everywhere. However, my mother tongue is Vietnamese. I like reading books, fish and chip, talent, but I'm really keen on listening to music, dancing, and chocolate. I dislike doing exam, doing the housework, and I hate getting up early and rude people. Rude people. I prefer climbing mountain, drinking coffee, rather than sitting on the beach, drinking soda. My dream is business. I'm trying to improve English because I list English for my RAM rap. I'm happy to meet you all. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.